Hi. Now, this is another assignment for you for parallel processing. I will explain what you are going to do, what you have to do. It's very simple. Now, what we have done previously, we have added the data to the work queue, right? All this data we have added. Now, base work queue, you are going to add the data to work queue. First, add the data to work queue. Once you have added the data to work queue, you want your work from where it is going to pick the data from the work queue from your get next item, right? Get next item, what it will do, it will pick the next available pending item from your work queue, right? Assume that, so add to work queue is a one main process. After that, you are using three sub processes. Let's assume that this is one process, this is another process, this is another process. Let's create three different process, and in all three use same work queue name which you have given. Add to work queue, which work queue name you have given, same work queue. And you need to start it from get next item, get next item action. Okay, so in all the three processes you need to do it from get next item. What it will do when you are picking it from the get next item, always get next item, what it will do, it will check for next available pending item, right? Next available pending item. Let's assume that this all these three you created, and then you are running from the get next item. When you are running P1, it will check for the first record. When during this time, when you are running this parallelly, it will check for the next available pending item. Already this picked one. Next, it is going to pick two. Next, it is going to pick three. In meanwhile, when this process is running, this has been completed. Then what it will do? It will pick next available pending item 4. Next, this is completed, then 5. Next, this is completed, 6. Next, 7. Assume that 8, then 9. What is happening here? Whatever the records you have there in a work queue, it is picking by remaining all three processes at a same time based on available pending items, available next pending items. Suppose when it is picking, it is has been locked. You cannot able to use this item ID from other processes. Understand, right? This is nothing but your parallel processing. How you can able to process the data parallelly in a work queue. Now try this. If you have any questions, so get back to me. Thank you.